The HVACR industry is at a pivotal moment, facing unprecedented changes driven by climate change and energy efficiency demands. Technicians must adapt, embracing innovation and sustainability to remain relevant in this evolving landscape. Climate change is no longer a distant threat, it's a pressing reality. HVACR systems account for nearly half of a building's energy consumption, making energy efficiency a critical focus for the industry. Smart technology is revolutionizing HVACR systems, with IoT enabling real-time monitoring and predictive maintenance. Technicians must integrate these new tools with traditional skills to enhance service efficiency. Imagine diagnosing a problem before it occurs. IoT devices gather data, optimizing performance and reducing energy consumption, transforming how technicians approach maintenance. New regulations demand higher energy efficiency, making compliance crucial for environmental and business success. Technicians must stay informed and adapt to these evolving standards. Training programs are essential, equipping technicians with the knowledge to meet new energy efficiency standards and ensuring they remain competitive in the industry. Renewable energy and eco-friendly refrigerants are key to sustainable HVACR practices. Technicians can lead the charge in promoting environmental responsibility through innovative solutions. Case studies highlight successful implementations of sustainable practices, showcasing the potential for HVAC systems to contribute to a healthier planet. Ongoing education is vital in a dynamic industry. Certifications enhance credibility and marketability, ensuring technicians remain at the forefront of technological advancements. Mentorship and peer learning foster skill development, creating a supportive community where technicians can share knowledge and grow together. Effective communication and empathy build client trust, essential for customer service excellence. Technicians must listen actively and respond to client needs with understanding. Responsiveness and follow-ups enhance customer satisfaction, driving business success through positive experiences and referrals. Networking and community involvement strengthen business ties, while personal touches and follow-ups ensure client retention and loyalty. Case studies highlight successful long-term partnerships, demonstrating the value of building strong client relationships in the HVACR industry. Predictive maintenance and energy tracking optimize performance, with smart sensors providing real-time data for informed decisions. Technicians must embrace data analytics, using insights to drive innovation and enhance service delivery in the HVACR industry. By leveraging data-driven solutions, technicians can improve system efficiency, reduce costs, and contribute to a more sustainable future. The integration of data analytics into HVACR practices represents a significant shift, empowering technicians to lead the industry into a new era of innovation. Recap: we've explored the evolving landscape of HVACR, emphasizing the importance of embracing technology, sustainability, and continuous education. Call to action: let's commit to adapting and innovating, ensuring the HVACR industry thrives in a changing world. Together, we can lead the charge towards a sustainable future.